Your car's transmission is like its heart, pumping power from the engine to the wheels. It's the vital link that ensures your car can move forward, backward, and even stay still when needed. It's a complex system of gears and fluids that makes sure your car moves smoothly at different speeds. These components work in harmony to adjust the power output, ensuring a seamless driving experience whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. Without a good transmission, your car wouldn't go anywhere, or at least not very smoothly. You might experience jerky movements, strange noises, or even complete failure to move, which can be both frustrating and dangerous. Taking care of your transmission is super important. Regular checkups can help identify potential issues before they become major problems, saving you time and money in the long run. Just like your heart needs regular checkups, your transmission needs some love too. Routine maintenance can keep it running smoothly and extend the life of your vehicle. Regular maintenance, like fluid changes, can prevent costly repairs down the road. Clean, fresh transmission fluid is essential for lubricating the gears and preventing overheating. And if you notice something's off, don't ignore it. Warning signs like unusual noises, difficulty shifting gears, or warning lights on your dashboard should be addressed immediately. It's always better to catch problems early. Early diagnosis can mean the difference between a minor fix and a major overhaul, ensuring your car stays on the road and out of the shop. Your car often gives you warning signs when something is wrong. These signs can be subtle or quite obvious, but it's important to pay attention to them. With transmission problems, there are some common things to watch out for. Ignoring these signs can lead to more serious issues down the road. One of the first things you might notice is your car having trouble shifting gears. This can be a clear indication that something is not right with your transmission. This could mean the gears are slipping, which can be a sign of a bigger problem. Slipping gears can lead to a loss of power and efficiency. Another thing to pay attention to is how your car feels when it shifts. Vibrations or unusual noises can be early indicators of transmission issues. Does it feel jerky or hesitant? That's not normal either. A smooth transition between gears is what you should expect. If your car is jerking, it's time to get it checked. Your car's transmission shouldn't be making a lot of noise. If you hear grinding, clunking, or humming noises, especially when shifting gears, that's a bad sign. These noises could mean that the gears are worn down or that there's not enough transmission fluid. Ignoring these noises could lead to serious damage and expensive repairs. Don't try to tough it out and hope the problem goes away on its own. It won't. Section 4. Don't ignore the leaks. Fluids are essential for your transmission to work properly. Just like your car needs oil, the transmission needs fluid to lubricate its parts and keep things running smoothly. If you notice a red or brownish fluid leaking under your car, it could be transmission fluid. Low fluid levels can cause all sorts of problems, from slipping gears to complete transmission failure. Get any leaks checked out by a mechanic right away. Section 5. Shifting into trouble. What to do. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't panic, but don't ignore them either. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe issues down the road. The first thing you should do is take your car to a trusted mechanic specializing in transmissions. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose the problem accurately. A professional mechanic can identify issues that might not be obvious to the untrained eye. Early detection is key to preventing costly repairs. Addressing problems early can save you a lot of money and hassle in the long run. Remember, your car's transmission is vital for its performance and your safety. A well-maintained transmission ensures that your car runs efficiently and safely. By paying attention to the warning signs and addressing issues promptly, you can keep your car running smoothly for miles to come. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are essential for the longevity of your vehicle.